Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the scene, enable deferred rendering, and confirm your project supports post-process materials. Once done, place an unbound post-process volume and raise its priority so it affects the whole level. Next, create a post-process material using scene texture, post-process input 0 as the base. Use a mask render target to isolate luminance and occlusion. This gives you control over what becomes lit in night vision. You're making the foundation for color shifts and glow, so subsequent steps can tweak intensity and realism. You now transform the base into night vision. Sample scene luminance and amplify it with an exposure or power function to simulate sensor gain. Next, multiply the result by a green tint and push saturation selectively. This gives the classic monochrome look. Add procedural noise and high-frequency grain animated per frame to emulate electronic shimmering. Then apply bloom and rim highlights on high-intensity areas so bright spots bloom realistically. Make sure to use temporal reprojection, or TAA, to stabilize the grain between frames. You finish by layering finishing effects. Mix in a subtle vignette and optional depth of field to focus the eye, and expose user-facing sliders for intensity and grain. Once composed, optimize by rendering the effect at lower resolution or using a downsampled render target with bilateral upsampling. This keeps performance acceptable. If you see flicker or unstable brightness, make sure TAA or temporal AA is enabled and clamp automatic exposure values. That single fix resolves most jitter and flashing in night vision implementations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.